Hello and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral math question. You can solve this by your own and comment your answer to feature our outer list. Okay, so let's go to question. What we have? 9 divided by 9 divided by 9 into 9. So try to solve by your own, and I will solve with stepwise method and with the help of PEMDAS. Okay, comment your answer. First, as we know, PEMDAS, division and multiplication are the same priority, and we have to solve from left to the right. So we will do operation from left to right. So first we have to solve for this part. 9 divided by 9, which will be 1. Okay, now we will write 1 divided by 9 into 9. Now you can write like this: 1 divided by 9 into 9. Okay, so 9 and 9 will be cancelled and 1 will be the right answer. Comment to right answer. And coming to the next question, we have 15 divided by 3, parenthesis close, 2 plus 3 to the square minus 5 square. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer. I am waiting for your answer. Okay, time's up. I will solve it. This is stepwise and with the help of PEMDAS. So as we know, first parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. First we will do the parenthesis part. So what we have, this one and this one. Okay, when we solve for this one, 15 divided by 3, we will get 5. And when we solve 2 plus 3, we will get 5 and minus 5 square. So PEMDAS operation will be done, and now exponential. So we will solve for this. 5 square is nothing but 5 into 5, which equals to 25. So we will write 5. This is nothing but multiply 5 minus 25. And as we know, now multiplication operation, 5 into 5, that is equal to 25 minus 25, and this will be ultimately give 0 as answer. So comment your answer if you got 0 and watch these videos for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.